Hey, Cuffaro here. About to show you my farm. This is my friend Shadow behind the camera. Been a long time friend. So Chad came over to check out the house real quick. It's about dusk. It's about to get dark, and that's what dusk is. And it's actually feeding time for the animals. As you can tell, every animal is literally behind me, quacking and mooing and snorting. So the pigs are over here. I always feed the pigs first because, look, they have no patience. They're all just lined up. They're literally just lined up in a row. Pigs eat for... Oh, wow! You're a chicken catcher. They're super cool. What is your name?
So you can see Paul's got a
that thing got big.
and the main one over there is Larry.
That's Larry over there.
Yeah, Larry. Larry the rooster. Larry, what do you
Larry.
think? Oh, you only talk to Paul?
Yeah.
All right. Wanna go over
There's your
there?
wife. That's why he's there.
Oh, what'd you say there, bud?
He told you to drop my wife.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry, wife. I dropped you.
that's his wife. All right, time to feed the pigs.
Larry's got like 10 wives. Look at all his
He
ladies.
actually has 8 wives.
Larry pulls them.
Those are all his wives. Right here. Boom. I do that 3 times, but as you can see, the pigs, they're crazy.
3 times a day you feed them?
Yeah. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. In the afternoon, sometimes if I'm not home, I don't, but most of the time. Drop another one. And there's Lady May.
Lady May is
Lady May
the
is
new
the
one
new
you
one.
just saved,
We
right?
rescued, yeah. You want to go check her out?
Yeah. Lady May.
This is the dad, Bubba. This is the mom, Lulu. Oh, sorry, Lulu. This is Pua. She's the biggest of the twins. These are twins right here. This is the bigger twin. This is Daisy, the smaller one. The only male we have is Duke right here. It looks similar to the dad. As you can see, it's a lot more dark, all the way up. And then, oh, that's Daisy saying hi. And then Baloo is the one that's afraid of people. She's terrified of people. Watch, see? Terrified. Doesn't know what to do with her life right now. I don't know why. Like, what am I doing? I'm not even touching you. Look on. That's it. That's it. That's all she wrote.
The pig ring. Is Daisy the one you
Yes,
saved?
that ran away.
That ran away.
Yeah.
Oh, look!
She's going for a drink. She's drinking at the new pond. So we just rescued this pig from someone actually reached out to me online that their stepdad was going to kill it by the time he got back from vacation, and there was only 24 hours until he got back. So we drove a couple hours down, picked her up, and put her in the back in a cage, brought her back here, and now she's getting, I'll just say it now, that's the other enclosure is made for her specifically. She's in her own spot. So that's Lady May's little enclosure, but she is in heaven right now. Look at her. She's a big girl. Yep. How insane is that, dude? She's so big. Yeah. It's just crazy. She's like not a hog. There's a difference between a hog, a wild boar hog, and a pet miniature pig that just grows huge. And this was not meant to be eaten, that's for sure. She's awesome though. Look at her. Yeah. So this right here is where the pigs sleep at night, or most of the time. Sometimes they'll sleep in like different spots, but
No, I sleep in here. What are you talking about,
who
Paul?
the hell are you?
I sleep in this
Who
cage.
is that?
Okay.
Who is that?
I lay my eggs in here. This
That's
is
the
where I
chicken
have my
coop, too.
kids. I sleep in here.
Alright, well, why don't I just leave you to that?
Yeah, I would like to stay in here tonight, please.
Okay, I'll leave you alone, alright?
Thank you.
Stay safe.
I will.
You can close correctly. Huh? No way. Is that nasty thing?
Hey guys. Just kidding. I don't sleep in there.
I don't know about that. You sure?
What stays in there, Paul?
The pigs.
Oh, the
And
pigs.
the chicken coops go. The chickens go above.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are they laying any eggs yet?
No, I mean I haven't checked.
You haven't checked if you're having fresh eggs daily?
Oh crap.
Sound of money.
I like that sound.
Ooh, that's a good sound. That's the sound of me gambling on Bovada again. I was gambling earlier.
No eggs yet.
Huh.
Still just a bit too
Let me
early.
check in there.
They're a little small, to be honest with you. The chickens are not at the size yet.
Chad, go for a swim.
Here, wait, go!
Oh my god.
Boom, baby!
Oh yeah, I have a bunch of chickens around here too, by the way. There's
9.
Too many, you lost count?
12. I think there's 12 or 13.
12?
I don't know.
Well,
Anyways, a
they're
bunch
all
of
laying on
females
the top
and
of
there's
the-
3 males. Yeah,
There's
that's
how
where they
many
sleep.
females?
There's I don't know. I can't.
Let's
I,
check 'em
I
out.
forgot to be honest with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8 females.
8. Yeah, 8 females,
11 chickens.
2 males, and 1. Oh no, 2 little roosters, and then Larry's the massive male.
These are all Larry's fine and dine
Yeah.
10s right here.
Yeah. They're all dimes.
All dimes. Look at them. Have you ever heard of a chicken that's got like 9 wives? I haven't.
Well, look at this little piece
Well,
of
now
fur.
you've seen one.
So this is what the birds eat.
So how do they taste? Do they taste pretty good?
Chad,
So-
eat one.
Oh my gosh. He straight chowed down on waterfowl food.
Swallow it.
Is it good?
Tastes like a stale graham cracker.
Oh my god.
This kid's crazy, dude. Chaddo.
Let me try. I'm kidding.
That
Come
would have
on.
been like,
I just
dude.
ate 2 of them.
I know, I don't know. Alright, let's go feed him. Macy's a bit shocked.
I'm just grossed out.
Hey, will you eat out of my hand? Will they eat out of my hand? No? No? Come here. Whoa. Swan, what happened over to you?
That thing kicks you. You gotta watch out.
Swan will?
Swan will whip you with his wings.
Go eat.
Ready, watch. And then they all go.
And this thing's loaded with what?
Has
100 tilapia, right?
thousands of tilapia in it.
Holy cow. I remember actually when we built
There
this
goes the
thing.
swan. Yeah?
That was crazy. Is it me or is that a turtle in the corner?
That is a tortoise. That's David.
What kind of tortoise is David?
A sulcata.
Oh, a sulcata.
Dude, you guys
Actually,
go
funny
ahead and
you
kiss.
say that.
Kiss. You may kiss the bride.
It's funny you say you have a sulcata. Actually, my girlfriend has a sulcata too, and maybe later in life something good can be happening to you. But
Wow. I think that means I'm gonna get it.
no,
Am I right or
no, maybe no.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
But that is a male or a female?
It's this one's a male.
All right. So
they're
you
both
have what?
males. I
You have
2
two males?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's why they're not together. I usually would have them both in the same enclosure, but there's no females to separate them.
Is there any way you could maybe
get a
take
light
a
back here.
third
I
male?
could take a 3rd male. I mean, I'm ready, man.
Well, I think you may need a female at some point. Yeah.
Yep.
You're a big girl.
Beautiful.
Or a big boy, actually.
Yep.
But,
I wish she was a girl.
The
I'd have
one,
baby sulcatas by now.
the one I have is probably twice the size.
Yeah, I would love it.
We just need a female.
Yeah, really bad.
Where
Sulcata
can we-
tortoise.
Chad,
can
you're
we get one
female.
of those?
Chad, aren't you? Chad, you're female.
Yeah, you want to see?
So we're walking into the front door now. He's got this little screened-in area here. Coda is looking at this mini tank. The front door is there. Let's see what he's got in here. He's got a couple little fish there.
Some mollies. Then we have the 2 snapping turtles right there. There's actually a 3rd one over here. It's a baby.
Oh, wow. That guy is a snapping turtle?
No, this little guy on the rock.
Oh, wow, look at that little snapping turtle. Holy cow. So that's a little baby guy. Let's see if we can maybe grab him. Oh,
I'll try to bite you.
he got himself dug under the rock there.
I'll pull out the rock.
She's got a little baby snapping turtle here.
Smart,
So
very
small. Look at him. Super small guy. Oh, and there he goes.
They also have a few other turtles up here. I can't remember the name of those.
Little baby snapping turtle. And then over here, he's actually got 2 bigger ones. You can see 1 there, 2 there. And I know he's got a couple more turtles in here, but he's got a great aquascape of rocks and a couple little fish that probably those little snapping turtle eat on. But this actually used to be his dining room table. It had a piece of glass over it. He had a couple goldfish or koi fish in it, and it was just a lot of maintenance. So he moved it out here, made it a little turtle pond till they get big enough, and then once they get big enough, they go out into the big pond. So when you first walk into Paul's house, he's got a saltwater aquarium here. Gorgeous tank. Paul, what is this, 40 gallons?
Yeah, 40 gallon.
40-gallon aquarium. He's got
All sorts of stuff.
couple clownfish, couple little black damsels. He's got a huma triggerfish. That triggerfish is actually from Hawaii. He got surprised with that from Nick Bingo.
Yes, sir.
And that there is some type of, I don't know if it's a damsel or some type of angelfish, but it is gorgeous. And other than that, he's got what is that coming out from the rock there? He's got a candy cane shrimp or a coral banded reef shrimp. Lots of rock in here. Perfect setup for corals. Hopefully soon. Let this thing cycle for a little bit with all his fish, and then he can get corals in it. But beautiful tank. And
there's actually a candy cane shrimp in there somewhere.
yeah, he was just coming out of the rock there. Little candy cane. Know what this thing needs?
What?
An octopus.
Yeah, I think it would escape though.
You got the lid. I had one in my tank for 3 years. Yeah. What is that?
I have no idea. Nick got it for me. I don't know saltwater fish, to be honest with you. I can name a couple of these, but...
Well, what are those things there, man?
Black ice clownfish.
Black ice clownfish. Look at the colors on those things.
Yeah,
And those
beautiful.
are some type of damsels.
Domino.
Domino damsels?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's number 1 domino, and
Two
that's
domino, and that's
2
3 domino.
Oh, wow, you got
I have 3 of everything, besides the 2 fish Nick gave me.
Yeah,
and the shrimp.
those need to stay there.
Super cool though. That's about all I'm gonna get for the tank.
Yeah. Except now you
Is it
need
160?
corals. Boom. Now we're gonna move over to the 160 in wall. And holy cow, is he getting big.
He's huge.
What is that? Platinum arowana?
Albino.
Albino.
It looks fun
arowana.
though. I might have got a little false buy.
Dude, he is.
I
So
got a
how
pet
long?
monkey.
How long until he goes into the outdoor?
Larry?
I wish Larry could go out there.
A lot. A long time.
He's got to get a lot bigger
Couple
until he
more
goes out
months,
back.
Yeah. Because the catfish, they won't eat him in specific, but they'll pick at him. They'll like grab his tail and mess with him, and they'll just stress him out and he'll die. And it's not the fish you want to just have die on you.
So still in here, you have a little red tail there, and
Yeah.
is
So
that
I had
another
5
red tail?
Peacocks. I had 5 peacocks. The arowana ate every single one of them besides 1. So now there's only 1. That's because he's growing too big. But
Holy cow.
I honestly can't put him out. He's worth way too much. Red peacocks, I have 1 peacock though. 2 red-tailed catfish. That one's about ready to go out back. Little royal pleco right there. A little royal one. They're super dope.
Look at a little peacock
Yeah,
there.
little peacock there.
What is this guy?
Datnoid.
Datnoid.
Try to guess how much that fish is.
I would
Oh, that was
say
dope.
he kind of looks like a lionfish when he opens his mouth.
Yep.
So, I would say $100.
$550.
$550
Yeah.
for that guy.
Yep.
You are a gorgeous fish, though. And how big will he get?
I mean, the world record was like, I can't remember. It was. I mean,
Whoa.
With-
That doesn't even fit in my camera lens.
wide, just thick. Got
Thick like you, or like
I mean,
strong like
you tell me.
an ape?
We got Bashur right here. Everyone's got different names for him. It's like Bashur, Bishur, Bitchur. These are all different types of names.
That is a wild looking animal there.
Yeah, it's like the species is 350 million years old.
What?
Look at that thing.
So they're as old
Dinosaur.
as dinosaurs.
It's a dinosaur.
That is a dinosaur.
Yeah. They lived with pterodactyls and T-Rexes, and
So why don't you get one of those?
because I just wanted a dinosaur.
You got one.
Yeah.
Well, that could be a dinosaur too.
It could. Looks like a dinosaur. You know what they eat in the wild?
Huh.
Like bugs off trees and stuff. Like that's how they eat. That's why their eyes are up here. Because they go along the bank and there's like bugs in a tree and they're like, that's why they jump.
Jump right out of the water to chase bugs off
Yeah.
trees. Look at him. Look at his mouth. He almost
See?
looks like a tarpon.
The mouth is fit
Wait.
for it, everything.
Is that George Jr.?
George Jr. That's
Oh.
George Jr. His colors are dark right now because it's nighttime. During the day, they brighten up.
So that is a flower horn, which is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, wait till you see the one I'm getting soon.
You're getting...
Yeah, insane. This tank right here, flower horn tank.
That's your next
Yep.
one?
Yes, sir.
So-
Flower horn.
Honestly, wasn't this the old tank of George?
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
This is the old tank of
we
George.
all miss George.
We do. I miss George. I see comments to this day
About
still
George?
saying how much people miss George.
If you guys do not, or if you guys are not subscribed to Paul Cuffaro, make sure you go hit that subscribe button.
It's down in the description, right?
Yep, it's gonna be down there.
Much love, brother.
Little guy.
This is a 30-gallon. It has 2 axolotls in it.
Axolotl, look at that thing.
It's weird looking.
It almost looks like a tadpole on steroids.
Yeah, pretty much. There's your albino axolotls. One's behind here. You can see from above. See it back there?
Yeah.
That's the second one. They have 2 hidings. They both have their own hiding spot. So it's dark in there. They'll go in there sometimes. The light's normally not on. It's usually like that. Or
Oh.
I could even go like that.
Oh wow, I like the blue light.
Yeah, the blue looks cool with the albino. But yeah.
That is
And
awesome.
that is it, boys and girls. Thanks for tuning along.